एवरीवन, चलिए सो लास्ट लेक्चर में हमने देखा था पैकेज का कंसेप्ट, राइट। और पैकेज के कंसेप्ट में आपको थोड़ा सा मैं याद दिलाता हूँ। वी हैड क्रिएटेड पैक 1 and then class A1 inside this pack 1, and then we had created pack 2 and then inside the same pack 1, okay, A1 class, and then we had created a class A2 outside the package, okay, and then we had tried to access the A1 from pack 2, okay. We remove this for confusion. We had tried to access the A1 class from pack 2, okay. So in pack 2 there is A1 class, and let's open it. A1, this is, let's close it for any confusion. Here is A1 and we have created class A1, okay. And then let's open this folder and then go to F drive and then cd java prog is the Java directory where we were working, and then we go to cd pack 2 and then java c a1.java. let's compile this Java file. So a1.java we are compiling and there is no error, right? So we come back to the parent directory and then we are using which one inside this Java parent, there is the class A2, okay. So we are now compiling java c a2.java, and when we compiled we found this error that cannot find symbol A1, okay. So what we did, we moved to this A1 class and then we make it public, okay. We declared this class as public, okay, and then let's compile it. Again this is error, because why you need to do, you have changed the class in pack 2 package, so you have to again compile this java c inside pack 2. It is compiled, the new bytecode is generated, then we came back to this particular folder and then we compiled a2.java, okay. So a2.java show data is not accessible inside A1, cannot be accessed from outside package a1.java. See, this class is public, so this class is accessible, but this method is not public, that is why it is not accessible outside the package. So we make it public again, then we go to this pack 2 and then we compiled our java c a1.java. now the class is public and the method both are public, okay. Class is public, the class here it is also public, and the method here it is also public, okay. So now we compiled it, and after compilation we move back to this outside this package, and then we try to compile this java c a2.java, okay. See, now it is successfully compiled and again it will be successfully executed because there is no error. This is A1 from pack 2. So what we see, once it was not public and this was not public, so class and method both were not accessible outside this package, okay. So why it is, because of the concept of access modifier. If we remember in the first slide, where in first lecture where we were discussing about object oriented concepts, there we had seen the concept of encapsulation and data hiding. The data hiding is the concept where we can restrict the accessibility of data, okay. So to restrict the accessibility of data, there is concept of access modifiers in Java. So access modifiers can be implemented in two ways. First one, class level access modifiers, and then second level member level access modifiers, okay. So access modifiers or access specifiers. Access modifiers or access specifiers. Somewhere you will get to know that somebody is using access specifier and somebody using access modifier, so both are same. So with class you can use keyword public, or you cannot use any keyword, you can set it default. So if a class is declared as public, it can be accessed from anywhere, inside the package, outside the package. Okay, if a class is having no modifier, means only class name, then it can be accessed only from the same package. Now we come to member level access specifier, means the members of the class. It can be public, it can be private, it can be protected. If it is public and no modifier, then it is used as same and class level, means it can be accessed inside the class, okay, and outside the class. Protected means it can be accessed by the class in the same package, and the subclasses, means protected are used in case of inheritance. Parent class having some members, if some members are declared as protected, those members can only be accessed by the subclasses. Okay, and if it is private, so private means private, that cannot be accessed outside the class, right? So public, private, protected, these are the three member level access specifier. And to summarize the concept of accessibility of variables, methods inside the class, let's see, this is access modifiers: public, private, protected, and no access modifier. Accessibility in same class, same package, subclass, other package. If a variable or method inside the class member is public, it can be accessed anywhere, in the same class, same package, by the subclasses, or outside the package. If members are declared as protected, it can be accessed in the same class, can be accessed in same package, can be accessed outside the by the inherited class, but cannot be accessed outside the class. If no modifiers is given, neither public nor protected nor private, so it can be accessed in the same class, in the same package, but not by the subclass, or not outside the package. And if it is private, only the class can access it, no one else, like in the same package, no class can access, no subclass can access. And if it is not accessible in the same package, then how it can be accessed outside the package? So this is the summary of access specifiers, and that is how you implement the concept of data hiding. So if somebody asks you how to implement the concept of data hiding, you will say we implement the concept of data hiding with the help of access specifier. हम access specifier का यूज करते हैं और इसको डेटा को रिस्ट्रिक्ट करते हैं, accessibility. So these are the cases that you can implement. You create different classes inside the same package, outside the package, declare the classes as public, declare the members as protected and private, and try to access, like the example that we had seen in the last lecture. Try to access, and let's see what are the errors you are getting. And if you are getting any problem, anything, you can write in the comment box, and then you can discuss with me. My contact number, email are given in the description of my channel. You can ask me anytime with your doubts. Okay, so in next lecture we'll meet with some new concept. Till then, keep trying, keep coding, and thank you so much.